Is your water working against you? That white, crusty buildup on your faucets is more than just a mess. It is the first sign of a much deeper problem.
ScaleFreeLife. Mineral solutions for home water.
Have you noticed those stubborn, cloudy spots on your wine glasses? Even after a wash, that hazy film remains, etched into the surface by minerals. It's hiding inside your appliances too. That chalky residue in your coffee reservoir is slowly destroying the heating elements and ruining your morning brew. Look at the difference. On one side, turbulent, flat tap water. On the other, the crystalline shimmer of water that has been properly shielded. The reason? Texas is built on ancient seabeds of porous limestone. As rain travels into our aquifers, it dissolves that rock, arriving at your city already hard. Then, the treatment plant adds disinfectants. While they make the water safe, these agents can actually make it chemically harder, creating a reactive cocktail that's tough on your entire home. It's time to build your defense. Level 1. The filtered pitcher. The easiest entry point to remove that crunchy taste and protect small appliances. Level 2. Under-sink reverse osmosis. This is the gold standard for your kitchen, stripping away the chemicals the city leaves behind for professional-grade drinking water. Level 3. Whole house filtration. This is your final fortress. It intercepts the water the moment it enters your property, protecting your pipes, your water heater, and your skin from the harsh Texas environment. Texas limestone is tough, but you can be tougher. Visit ScaleFreeLife.com to find your shield and follow us to upgrade your flow.